What's going on, gang?
We're on the way to Sydney.
We've just flown in from Japan.
No rest for the wicked.
No rest. We've already packed the vehicle. It's chockers. Danny's in the back sleeping.
Yeah, I think I closed my eyes for 4.5 minutes, and now we're on the way to Sydney. So
yeah, Sydney drive, guys.
Yeah, Danny's back there, passed out.
Give you some footage of the drive down, some stops.
Yeah,
this is what it takes. Okay.
This is what
the dark side of vending.
This is what we do for you. No sleep, delirious, and driving. Well, not 9 hours today, 3 hours today, and then the other 5.5, 6 tomorrow. Yeah, and then this is what we get to stare at for the next 3 hours.
For you guys.
Yeah. All right, we'll check in. Bye.
What's going on, guys? So we forgot to get some footage today, but we've just done a 6-hour drive. Okay, so we've finally gotten to Sydney Olympic Park. We've just brought all the bags up. We also stopped off at an EB Games earlier, so we got some packs to rip. But let me take a quick squeeze of this room that we got. Here's the front door. Look at this double length bath shower. Not the biggest room. Apparently Dylan got lucky on the big room. There he is. But, you know, big boy needs a big room. Got the massive bed, though. Bedside table. Danny's got a spinning chair. Give him a little spin.
Also, I'm very sick. That's the chair making a noise, not my butt.
It was her butt. But check out this view, too. Look at that. Wow. That's nice, guys. Like, so usually when we stay here, we stay all the way down there. But this is great. This is a great spot. Boo Boo said I need to look at the TV. She has something to tell me. Huh? Please explain, Mr. Danny Alfreds. Anyway, guys, so this will be a massive vlog. So we did, yeah, driving yesterday, driving today, flew in yesterday and drove yesterday. Crazy times. Stay tuned, guys, because we're gonna have a fun night. Set up in the morning. Big day. Tomorrow finishes at 6, and then got all of Sunday, pack up, and then we have the full drive all the way back to the coast from Sydney on the Monday. And then I go back to work on Tuesday, where Dylan has the rest of the month off. He needs to. Look at him.
Because I planned it because I'm smart.
Some people just don't have enough annual leave. Okay? So the apartment. We've relaxed a bit. We've ripped some booster boxes. Everyone just got stitched up. And now
The fun begins.
this is the other stuff that you got to do too. Pricing. Getting ready. Making sure everything's sorted. We'll have this done in... What's the time now? 5:06. What do you reckon, guys? An hour, 2 hours, 3 hours? Dinner as well sometime. We've got to find the time to do that. Yeah, let's get to it. We'll say hi, baby. All the way in the background. We'll say hi, Dylan. Alright, guys, we are here. We are at the Trade Summit in Sydney. We've driven down from Gold Coast. Look who's right beside me. TCG Express. Could have just carpooled, bought a bus. Who f***ing knows? Guys, it's hectic. I don't think we've ever done a card show this big.
It's a monster.
So hopefully it goes good. I'm excited. You boys excited?
I'm excited. I'm ready.
See if any crazy deals comes through. Let's get it done.
Hi, camera.
Alright guys, we've done a little bit of intro before, but Boo Boo has made it down. She's got her
Hello.
own microphone.
Look at me go. I'm a little bit sick, guys. Sorry. I'm sure Sean's already mentioned I'm not well.
Yeah.
But enjoy husky voice, Danny.
In the head, not well in the head. I think, it's starting to let some people in.
Wish us luck.
We've only got a little bit of footage left for today, so we're going to
Be very smart with
be
what
smart.
we film.
Yeah. We'll try our best.
We say this and then we'll end up forgetting to turn it on or off and the usual.
Yeah.
I'm going to go shopping.
Yeah, you like that one?
Yeah.
Got that one? Yep. Anything else at all, or just that today?
That one's better cooler than that one.
Cash card? Alright, let me get you 10 change. No worries.
What does the pink stick mean?
Oh, so they're just my cards. So yeah, pink hair, pink sticker.
Guys, Pierce has come along. He's grabbing the duck. Turn around the top.
Thank you.
Christopher and Bethany have passed. They're coming. They're here at the booth. They gave them some cards.
Thank you so much.
I always get lost for words. We're going to do a coin flip for this guy.
We go for a flip? Yeah.
7 or 5. You got a coin, bro? I had some this morning and God knows. Heads, tails.
Oh, well, they're both actually head, but 2 and a head, alright? You want to call?
No, you call, bro.
Heads. That's tails. Nice.
All right, bro. Cash.
Yeah. Cash first.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. You want your $2, bro?
Yeah, maybe. I thought that was yours. Thanks.
Go on.
Yep.
You want to ring up a Series 1?
Yep.
This gentleman here?
Just on card. The more people that come in, the harder it's going to get. There we go. No worries, enjoy. Guys, Tom's come by. He's picking up the 9 Champions Park Gengar.
Thanks, man.
No worries, bro. No luck? Did you turn it off again?
Yeah, because I went to the toilet and realised I had it on.
Jesse's come along, guys. Just grabbing this bad boy. Give you that one. I'll grab you 20 change. There you go, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, grab one of those if you want to see yourself on there. When we finally get around to uploading it. Sure. Hey, you dropped it, you buy it. Guys, Jack's coming along. He's picking up the 10 Well Lord Magic Carp.
That one is all yours.
All right, bro. Enjoy.
Appreciate it.
No worries.
Have a good one.
You too.
I am sitting on Ninetales, the vintage, so like the 1996. Any chance you got one of those floating around? Thank you. Oh my god, straight off the bat. I love that.
I was like, you know what? I actually do.
Yeah, boom. Oh, sick.
They're not like the best condition, but
I'm all for the nostalgia kind of vibes going on, but I got my ball picks today, so I was stoked, and there was like
Nice.
Ninetales. I was like, that would be
Nice.
sick. It's alright if I take them out?
yeah, absolutely.
This has made my day. I'm like so happy.
Glad I could help.
Is the sticker anything in particular?
It just belongs to my wife.
Oh,
Gotta make sure she gets her money.
that's I love that.
I've even got the pink dot.
That's hilarious. I love
Yeah.
that. That's very sweet. I will grab these for you, my dear.
Those ones?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Perfect.
And then there we go. Those are yours.
Thank you so much again.
No worries. Happy to help.
Thanks so much again.
No worries. You guys have a good one. So you can only get that one from the Pokemon DX Center in Neonbashi. You want to grab it?
Do you have card?
Yeah, of course. That one is all yours. No worries. You want to grab it? They are all yours. Cash? Card? Let me grab you change. There you go, man. No worries. So these goes to me plus the cash, and you get the flower. And you happy with that? Yeah. All right.
What do you say? He's tired.
There we go. Handshake on it. I'll tell you what. Check out the YouTube as well.
Cool.
Might find the deal going down on the YouTube for this. If you want to give it a wave as well.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
All right, no worries.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You having a good show, bro?
Except for the line outside, like some.
I heard it's like crazy down around there.
It's nuts. It's ridiculous.
Matt and Archie, you come along.
Guys, your TV here, man.
They're grabbing those too. You want to see that there? You want to give it a wave?
Point wave.
There you
Thanks
go.
so much. Appreciate it.
I'll probably get the round to upload in that couple of weeks.
Awesome, man. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.
Came up and told me I look like Free Rin, and I'm like, now I've got to do a Free Rin costume.
It's not bad.
I'll take that.
You want to grab it?
Yeah, which one? Yeah.
All right. Card?
Yeah.
Is it from Pokemon Center Japan or is it just from Australia?
Sorry?
Is it from Australia itself or?
No. I flew in from Japan on Thursday morning, and then I drove down here from Brisbane.
Oh, wow, okay, thank you.
No worries. Grab it. I have seen other, like, because I do like supernovas and stuff, people try and sell the exclusives off for like $100. Card?
He's like, yeah, that's you. I'm like,
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No worries, guys.
Cheers.
Do you want me to give you the rundown? Or do you know about it? So, only available at the Tokyo DX store in Nihonbashi. So we really want to do like, I mean, we're going to have to save crazy for it, but we want to do like around Japan, like every Pokemon Center.
yeah.
But we're going to hold off because we just went and
Thursday, all the exclusives gone.
packs are sold out, exclusives are sold out. It's absolutely chaotic.
Going since 2019, almost every second year basically, and it's just
Yeah.
Can I grab that one?
Grab that one?
Yes.
I kind of led you into it. So
And my little cards, please.
Yep.
You wouldn't happen to have like a little plastic bag, would you?
Got you.
Thank you. Sorry. I'm just probably going to drop it somewhere.
Do you want a bag that's big enough to fit him as well?
If you can, actually, that would be great. Thank you so much.
All yours.
have you guys been to Japan much? Just the one so far?
She's been heaps.
I've been to, like,
I've
5 times.
just
Same
done
thing
my
since
second trip.
2019.
It's amazing.
I love it. If I could live there, I
Oh,
would.
We say that all the time.
Yeah.
It's not much, but a kid pulled this earlier and told me to give it to another kid. No worries. That one is Tokyo Bay exclusive.
That one.
So the other one was at Amphros where he was on the tail. Got white, blue.
This one? Oh, wait, no. Wait, where's my phone?
Cash card?
Card, please. Thank you. Yes, that one? Are you sure? Or are you? I will still buy one, so if you're quickly umming and ahhing, I'll just pay for whichever. I personally like the one with the bucket hat, to be honest.
So, these two are from the Sweets Cafe, and then there's the Pokemon Cafe one. So which one's this, babe? Is this Tokyo?
Yeah, so that's Sunshine City.
And this
Tokyo.
one is in Osaka, right?
No, that's the Tokyo one. The Osaka's in the black chef outfit.
Oh, the black chef outfit.
Yeah.
You want that one? Are you sure? We walk away, we walk away. All right.
Look at his little Pikachu.
Did you see that in there?
It's so cute.
Okay. Thank you so much.
What was your name, bro?
Often.
What was your name?
Sean.
Sean? I'm Sean.
Oh, lovely.
Guys, Sean's come over to see Sean. He's picking up the vending series Mew Dark Blastoise. Gyarados, Snorlax.
Yeah, I got that earlier. Yes.
There you go, bro. Zach's grabbing the Blaine's Arcanine.
Legend, bro.
Guys, Alex has come along. He's picking up these two. We're taking in a bunch.
Thank you very much.
All right, bro. Those are yours.
Have yourself a great weekend.
You too, bro.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello.
Day one, very successful. We're very happy. Boo Boo's made it through the day.
I survived.
She did good. She
Also,
did real
this little kid told me I looked like Free Rin and it's made my whole day. Sorry, Free Rin cosplay at the booth coming soon.
good. Yep. We'll go home. We've got stuff to price up now again. We're going to go out to dinner. What else?
I'm gonna sleep.
We're going to have a good nap. And then we're going to have a nice fancy breakfast
Yeah, I'm excited for breakfast tomorrow.
before our 10-hour drive on Monday.
Woo!
All right, guys. Thank you.
Thanks everyone that stopped by today. Shout out if you mentioned that you watch our videos. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks guys.